today's lesson, we will create a React Toastify notification for product page. First, open terminal window. Type command npm install React Toastify. Next, open index.js file. Import Toast container component from React Toastify node package. Also, import React Toastify CSS style sheet. Add Toast container component in application root, which is app component. Next, open content.js file under components layout folder. Import Toast from React Toastify node package. In useEffect function, add if statements based on error value. If error value not equals to none, it will return a toast function. This toast function has error method. The first parameter is a string message. Second parameter defines the position of notification. You can find those options in documentation. In the dependency array, we also need to add error variable. For product state variable, we needed to use a conditional operator to handle special case situation, such as product value equals none or empty array. If it is empty array, set its value to empty string. Open products action.js file under action folder. There is one typo we need to correct. When products fail, set payload value equals to error.message. Open products reducer.js file under reducer folder. There is another typo we need to correct. Sorry about that. That's the way we do the debugging. When case products fail, set loading value equals to true. Now we have finished the setup for React Toastify. Let's make some errors. Open the products action.js file. Set axis get URL path to different value which does not exist. It will not get product data. It should cause error. The logic goes to catch error block. It will trigger product fail action. Let's open browser window to check if it works as expected. Go back to content.js file, find toast function. We can change its property error to success and change its property error to info. You can find those property options from documentation. So far, we have completed React Toastify notification component. Next video, we will learn how to custom page title and document head.